Cloves have many other uses and benefits besides the culinary ones. Do you know where the name comes from? Clove derives from the Latin word clavus, which means nail. It makes sense since it does resemble a nail. Cloves are a source of nutrients like vitamins A and E and beta-carotene. So in today's video, you will learn about its benefits. Prevents intestinal infection. The high levels of vitamin C found in cloves are important to the functioning and strengthening of the digestive system. Fiber also aids this system by balancing digestion and preventing constipation. The essential oils of clove fight off bacteria, preventing and fighting intestinal infections. Improves digestion. Clove helps with digestion and controls diarrhea since it activates enzymes that aid the stomach and intestines. It is widely used to fight flatulence. If you suffer from gas after eating beans, broccoli, and cauliflower, try drinking clove tea after your meals and see the results. Alleviates cough. Since it is a great expectorant and releases all mucus from the throat and esophagus, clove is also recommended for cough relief. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Alleviates toothache. Clove has analgesic properties that are wonderful to alleviate toothaches. Simply put a clove over or in between the teeth that are bothering you. Avoid moving your mouth too much to make sure all compounds are properly absorbed. Helps with thyroid function. Do you suffer from hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism? Clove can help you with that since it acts to prevent and treat these thyroid disorders. Alleviates headaches. Eugenol is powerful against headaches, and you can take it as capsules or in clove oil. This compound acts in inflammations in all of the body and is used in many therapeutic massages. Clove tea can also lessen headaches, period cramps, oral candidiasis, alleviate toothaches and sore throat, and lower fevers. Phew, that's a lot of things, isn't it? Clove is beneficial thanks to its antiseptic, healing, antifungal, antibacterial, antioxidant, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties. So many. Pay attention to its contraindications. Pregnant or nursing women, children under 6 years old, and people with gastrointestinal issues or neurological diseases must avoid clove, including its tea and oil. Remember to not go overboard with the consumption or apply it over irritated areas, as it may hurt your skin. If you use clove topically, don't forget to mix it with a carrier oil to get the benefits. Who could say that such a tiny spice could have so many health benefits? Have you ever heard of them? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.